Renegade. Should I become TikTok famous? Who, me? Alright, let me stop. Hey dudes, it's Liv. I have a new video for you, and this video is just going to be a video about me getting my life together for 2020. Now I know you're seeing a ton of these all over YouTube, but this one's a little different because in this video I'm not showing you me grocery shopping. I'm not showing you me cleaning out my closet. That's not what this is about. I'm just showing you guys me cleaning up my room and showing you guys how I got a new planner and how I've been planning out my life so far, and talking to you guys a little bit about the trip that I'm taking to Chicago next weekend. So it's not boring, it's actually pretty interesting, I think. So I hope that you guys stick around and watch till the end. If this is your first time seeing my face, hi, my name is Love. I'd love if you would subscribe down below, join the fam. It's pretty chill and fun over here. But without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get right into this video. Alright, so I just want to quickly show you guys my room. So this is when you enter. There's a bunch of trash. This right here isn't trash, but it still needs to be removed from here, or cleaned or tidied, something. I folded fresh laundry today. My bed clearly needs to be made, and there's always this crack here, and all my pillows and stuff just fall in there. That needs to be fixed as well. Over here in this corner, I have my clothes, since I'm living out of a suitcase for winter break. That's a Sherpa. Then I have a pile of shoes underneath that. I have this basket that I just got from Target, and I'm gonna fill it with the shoes that just sit at the bottom of my closet, just so that it looks a little bit neater than just having a bunch of shoes there. And then over here I have my suitcase that I'm gonna put all my laundry into. My desk is also a mess, but I mean, I don't know what to do at this point. Here I have some freaking church clothes that this was just washed. This I wore on Sunday. I have more shoes that need to go in this basket. I have my comforter and my freshly washed underwear, and then this is the other corner. I'm going on a weekend trip to Chicago, so hence the suitcase, clothes, and neck pillow, and then the wire situation is just disgusting. So I'm going to go ahead and organize this and get my life together. This calendar still says December, but this will be fixed tonight. Yikes, sorry for this atrocious appearance, but I just have to come on camera and say that usually, guys, I am not this bad, and honestly I have cleaned before it got to this point of treachery. The closet is looking pretty much situated now. I just have to put away my church clothes into my drawers in there, and then that will be set. And then after that I have to clear off my desk or fix it or something, because I got a new tripod for my vlog camera so that I can go ahead and do winter break vlogs since I'm home for the next 2 weeks. I'm clearly going to be vlogging Chicago. That was never a question, but my calendar still says December. I got a new planner because I was tired of the spiral binds and I just wanted a change, and now it's time to situate the rest of my life. So my suitcase is packed again in a way that I could still access all my clothes and put them back neatly. I'm going to arrange the shoes because, sis, that's not it. That's a hot ass mess. And then after that, I'm pretty much done. I'll just take the trash downstairs, and then my life will be situated, and I can explain to you guys how I am planning out my life now. So now the bottom of my closet looks like this. I just have 2 of my tall boots right here because I knew they wouldn't fit in the basket. But in the basket, I just have all of my flats and heels and clogs and whatever else in there. So this is my old calendar from 2019, and usually I just go online to Pinterest and I find free printables and I just print them out. But this year I was in Target dollar section and I saw this really cute, simple, basic planner, and it has gold, which kind of matches the gold theme I got going on here. So I decided to just get this wall calendar. It does have a hole where you can put it through the wall, but I'm just going to clip it onto the clipboard and see if it looks okay. If not, then I'll just punch the hole through the wall, because I do already have this in the wall, so it won't really matter. But let's just see what it looks like. So this is what it ended up looking like. It pretty much gives off the same effect. I'm not too mad at this extra space that I have here at the bottom, because it just adds to the wall space, I guess. So I'm going to leave it as is. If I end up hating it, then I'll just change it. My new planner and just a few of the supplies that I like to use while I'm planning. These are all zebra highlighters, I think they're called. This is what the monthly layout looks like for the month of January. I went ahead and filled in some important dates that I already knew, and then I moved on to filling out the weekly plan, and I went on for the next 2 weeks to go ahead and fill that out. And here I'm just sorry that this clip is blurred out. By the way, I just forgot to focus the camera, to be honest, if you're wondering why it's blurred. But here I'm just writing in the notes section in the back of my planner, and I love using this section to plan out in detail what I want to do for the year. So the first major thing that's coming up for me for this year is my weekend trip to Chicago, and I just really needed to plan out all of the expenses and rewrite the itinerary that I already previously wrote last year, but I just wanted to rewrite it with the updates to the plan, and we made a few changes to where we were going, so I just wanted to write that in and have a hard copy of what we were going to do instead of looking back at the old one that I had on my phone. So that's what I'm doing here, and I just went ahead and used my highlighters to make important notations in the notes, and then this is just a finished product of what that ended up looking like. And here you just see that I used the green to do the cost and the money, and then the blue was for the titles of what dates we were going, and I just wrote in everything in detail with time what we were doing, just so that it was pretty clear to me what I wanted to do while we were there. And then I'm going to send a picture of this to everyone else who's going on the trip. Alright, so my room was a mess, my life was a mess, my clothes and everything was a mess, but we're doing much better now. We're feeling a lot more productive, we're working, we're grinding. Payday Friday, I'm just kidding. But like, honestly, having a clean room, having a clean space, and sometimes just seeing things on paper really does make a difference in how productive you are. And jumping into a new year, I really did not want to have a room where it was just a mess all the time, so I really wanted to clean that up. So that's what I did. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you did, like it, give it a thumbs up, and if you have not already, make sure to subscribe down below and leave a comment down below of something that you are excited about for the year of 2020. Super excited for a new decade. I turned 20 this year. Oh my god, I've been alive for exactly 2 decades now, which is really crazy to me. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys all so very much. Peace, dudes.